Hi, I'm Auntie Dawn. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pea soup. I start with a 4-cup Pyrex mixing bowl. Add 2 cups of frozen peas. Now I'm going to add just enough water to cover all the peas. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now that it's beeped 2 minutes, I'm going to stir it up and then put it back in the microwave at 1-minute intervals until it is hot. Okay, now that it's hot, I'm going to put it in the sink. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon concentrate. Take my immersion blender and blend it until it is smooth. And here's the finished soup. Oh, it's so nice. So soup made from dried peas has been one of the staples of European cuisine for thousands of years. They called it pottage, and it was pretty much what people ate. When I was a kid and we went on road trips, I would always beg to go to Split Pea Anderson's because I wanted a bowl of that soup. It seemed like such the perfect food. But when I actually got there and they put it in front of me, it always tasted overcooked. But frozen peas are the perfect answer to this. They taste light, they're fresh all year long, and give you that delightful taste of springtime freshness. So the reason that I do all of the blending in the sink is that even though I'm using an immersion rather than a jar blender, it can still spatter. I've ended up with soup everywhere when I've been careless. So if I keep it to the sink, I make cleanup easier if there is a mess and just make it less likely that it will escape. This soup goes amazingly with grilled cheese sandwiches. I hope you enjoyed the soup as much as I do. See you next time.